A quantum computing is all about solving problems faster than classical computer. After Grover's algorithm, and one the most important function algorithm, Deutsch-Joja algorithm. It was the first algorithm that proved quantum computing can be exponentially faster than classical computer. In this video we'll cover classical versus quantum approach, algorithm step-by-step working, and the real example with simple explanation. First part is problem statement. Let's start with the problem. We have function f of x that return either 0 and 1 for only input. This function can be two types. First one is constant function. This function always return the same value, either always 0 and always 1 for all inputs. And last one is balance function. This function returns 0 for half of the input and 1 of the other half. The part goal is we need to find out whether f of x constant or balance. और हमें ये काम जितने कम क्वेरीज में हो सके उतने में ही करना है. And the second part is classical approach and quantum approach difference. In a classical computer we have to check multiple inputs to find the answer. In the case, you need to query the function, like this function. For example, if the input is 10 bit, you need over 512 checks, which is very slow in classical computer. Let's start quantum approach. Now let's see quantum computer solving this problem in just one query. Here's the step-by-step working. First step is initialization. The two types of initialization. We proper n qubits, its state is 0. And one extra ancilla qubit, state is 1. Second one is Hadamard transformation. Apply Hadamard gate to all qubit. This created a superposition of all possible inputs at 1. मतलब हम सारे inputs पर एक साथ evaluate करते हैं. And third is oracle application. The oracle means black box applied the function f of x and flips the face based on the output. This is a quantum magic. क्योंकि सारे input पे एक साथ process हो रहे होते हैं. The last part is Hadamard and measurement. Apply another set Hadamard gate on the input qubits. Then measure them. If the result is all zeros, the function is constant. If the result is anything else, the function is balanced. For example, imagine f of x result 0 for every input. After the oracle and second Hadamard gate, you measure all qubits are 0, but it is a balanced. For example, 0 for half, 1 for half. You will see non-zero states. इस तरह से सिर्फ एक फंक्शन सेल में ही रिजल्ट मिल जाता है. Something important in classical computers. And the Deutsch-Joja algorithm, the very fast algorithm, show the quantum machine can be gives us explanation speed ups. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.